Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. So this is an example of a work problem. Clarette can create a dress in 20 minutes. Camille can finish the same task in 80 minutes. How long will it take both of them to create a dress together? Is it A, 16 minutes, B, 26 minutes, C, 36 minutes, D, 46 minutes, or letter E, 56 minutes. So ito po ay example ng work problem. Tinatawag siyang work problem, specifically in the idea na yung isang individual, let's say Clarette here, has a specific average in finishing a task. Camille also has a different average on the same task. But what if they work together? So from Clarette of 20 minutes and Camille na 80 minutes, we are assuming that Clarette's time would be increasing and Camille's time will be decreasing in a sense that they are now working together. So paano po natin sasagutin to? Okay, here's the idea when you say work problem po. Since we both of them has an exact amount of time, 20 minutes, exact same unit rather, minutes po. We are going to look into their work per minute muna. Okay? So, ito po yung concept ha. Bago natin ilalagay sa equation, i-solve siya, dapat alam natin anong ibig sabihin ng work problem. So, if Clarette can finish the task in 20 minutes, or I'm going to give you a simpler example. If I can finish a certain cake, I can eat a certain cake in, let's say, 2 minutes. In 1 minute, what portion of the cake yung maubos ko? Yan ha? Again, if I could finish a certain cake, I have a cake here, okay? If I could finish a certain cake in 2 minutes, I can finish a certain cake in 2 minutes. What portion of the cake I could finish in 1 minute? So, since matatapos ko siya ng 2 minutes, obviously, 1 minute dito, 1 minute dyan. In short, in 1 minute, I could finish 1/2 of the cake. Now, let's have another example here. If I could finish eating the cake in, let's say, 5 minutes, okay, what portion of the cake I could finish in 1 minute? In 1 minute, okay? So, in 1 minute, in 1 minute, I could finish 1/5 of a cake. Kasi nga po, maubos ko siya in 5 minutes. So, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So, what's the relationship of this po? In a certain amount of time, I could finish a fraction based on my capability to finish a certain task. So, per minute, if Clarette can finish making a dress in 20 minutes, per minute, yung matatapos ni Clarette is 1/20 of the portion of the dress. Para pagkatapos ng 2 minutes, it is 2/20. Pagkatapos ng 19 minute, 19/20. And then pagka 20 minutes, tapos na 100%. Okay, gets niyo yan. Then, if Camille can do it in 80 minutes, he can finish or she can finish the same task in 1 minute. That's 1/80 of the dress. Okay. Hopefully, na-gets nyo yan. Kasi nga, ito yung best example na mabibigay ko. So, if Clarette can finish it in 20 minutes, per minute, depende sa unit of time, okay? If this is hour, so per hour. If that's per day, so per day po tayo nyan. Okay? So, 1/20 per minute and 1/80 per minute. Okay? So, if they are going to, join together, if we are going to join them together plus 1/80, this is their, it would be equal to their work, we're working together per minute. Okay? And since we are looking for X, would be the total number of hours or minutes that they work together, K and C. Okay? So, yung per minute ng, iba. If Clarette can finish in 20 minutes per minute, that's 1/20. If Camille can finish the dress in 80 minutes, so per minute, that's 1/80. If the X that's the number of minutes they can work together to finish a certain dress. Per minute, reciprocal lang po siya. Yan, reciprocal. So, reciprocal ng 20, 1 over 20. Reciprocal ng 80, 1 over 80. When they work together, if that's X minutes, 1 over X siya. This corresponds to the sum of their individual contribution in making a dress. This is an equation po of a work problem. So, in general form, it's 1 over the capacity of A plus 1 over the capacity of B is equal to 1 over the capacity of working together. And after that, ito yung isosolve natin. So ito po ang process in solving work problems. So napaka-complicated po niya, but you just need to understand the idea of the fractions. So ito po yung work ni Claret in a minute, work ni Camille in a minute, and if they work together, it's this. So we'll be solving X. So basically, we're dealing with fractions here. So yung LCD niya is 80. So ito na po yung process. 80 divided by 20 is 4. Plus 1, you have 4. Times 1, it's 4. Plus, you have here, 80 divided by 20 is 1. Right? Plus 1, you have 5. Okay? So we have here, equal to 1 over X, both of them. Okay, so now if let's combine this one. 4 plus 1 is 5 over 80 is equal to 1 over X. Now you can cross multiply that, but yung process na ginagawa ko nito, if I'm solving this, is na-reciprocate ko lang yung both sides. Make sure you do it on both sides. Reciprocate so that you will have here 80 divided by 5 is equal to X over 1. Again, we will reciprocate it. So 80 divided by 5 is 16. That is equal to X. And ano nga yung X po natin? That's the number of minutes that Claret and Camille can finish a dress together. And that's actually letter A in this given item. Okay, that's the correct answer here. Okay? So the correct answer is 16. Take note that we're able to do this by understanding that no matter how large or small are the details here, you take them per unit of time, per minute, per hour, per day. You will have in the fraction form, and this is when they work together, you add them up. And yung process lang po ng fractions and reciprocation if possible. We will have probably more examples to this, especially if we're dealing with work problems. Kasi ito po yung talagang internal structure ng ating work problems. The work of 1 plus the work of 2 per unit of time is equal to this variable 1 over X. This is also true if we have 3 or more individuals then. This time, yung sagot natin dito is 16 minutes. So once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!